Hello again. Now in the OSI model we're up to layer 6, which is the presentation layer. Now this one doesn't always get mentioned because sometimes, as I said, in the top layers they get a bit blurry, and often the layer 7, the application layer, does a lot of layer 6. But some of the things that the presentation layer is about is conversion of data types, and also things like compression or encryption, that sort of thing. So one of the, as I said, it's not often used, but one of the protocols you would know is SSL, the Secure Sockets Layer. Okay, so that's encryption. And again, I've just done a little demo here of just a secure connection to a website. Now it starts off, as I said in the previous video for the session layer, we can see our session gets started with the sync packets. Okay, and then we go into our SSL. Now you can see it down here, Secure Sockets Layer. That's basically setting up encryption for this session there. And that really is just a quick function of the presentation layer. There are other examples of when encoding might have to take place, not encryption, just encoding the data. So one system might use ASCII for its text, and another system might use something else, so that translation would be done in the presentation layer. But as I said, a lot of that's done in the application layer for a lot of things that you'll see. But it's worth knowing that it's there. That's roughly what it's about. And that's it for now. So until next time, take it easy.